Lawmakers around the country and Wisconsin are still trying to stop youth vaping. The U.S. House passed a bill earlier this week that bans the sale of all flavored vaping products.
Well, there are already bans in place, but News 8 Now's Jordan Fremstad tells us what isn't covered.
And prohibits retailers from selling flavored e-cigarette pods or cartridges, but it doesn't include flavored juices and disposable e-cigarettes, leaving a loophole for teenagers.
We don't regulate e-cigarette products hardly at all.
Anytime there is a new product on the market, there are many mysteries behind its pretty packaging.
They can be made in a bathtub. It is a wild, wild west show out there with the e-cigarettes.
La Crosse County health educator Judy Zabel says the effect on youth is still a major concern.
The product itself is stickier, so it's going deeper into our alveoli and staying there. Remember, our brains aren't fully developed until age 25.
The Surgeon General report says vaping is up among teens to more than 20%.
We've also got to make sure that we're stemming the tide of this increasing e-cigarette usage among young people.
And as of February, more than 2,800 people have been hospitalized and 68 people have died, according to the CDC.
It's not a vapor, it's not water, it's chemicals that are being put into the air.
In our technology age, vaping products are geared toward young people, and they make them look a lot like things that we have in our pocket, like a cell phone. This is a phone charger, but it's actually a vaping device. And the amount of nicotine that's in this device is the same amount that's in a pack of cigarettes. And they make it pretty easy to order these things online. And even though law says you have to be 21 years or older, it's pretty easy to bypass those when you're on the internet.
And look at also how colorful they are.
New regulations in February stopped the sale of flavored pods and cartridges, but that's all it did.
That primarily is the jewel. So you have a pod like this, it's disposable.
There are several products that are still legal on the market.
It's a concern that teachers have because it's been impacting their classrooms. So working to address this issue is one that's critical for public health.
Legislation to ban flavored e-cigarette and flavored tobacco products will go before the United States Senate, but it is not expected to pass. Local health educators say as long as these products are available, teenagers will find ways to use them.
Thanks a lot, Jordan. E-cigarettes are not an FDA-approved solution to quit smoking.
Health educators actually say they recommend you should call 1-800-QUIT-NOW for more information about how you can go about quitting smoking.